Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Healthy Living. I am Wendy. For the ones who don't know who I am getting a really early start today. I have so many things I would like to do, but before I can start my day, honey, I need to move. Stretch, and get my steps in. All right. That's everyone. Everyone needs to move and get your exercise in and start your day because it just makes you more flexible, okay? Makes it more safe for you to continue throughout the day as you move, okay? So today, I'm getting my exercise in. Definitely them steps, okay, because you know I'm in the step challenge and I'm trying to get it in, and I've been doing pretty good. Not only that, I'm gonna do some things around the house. I'm gonna go out there in the garden, get the fall garden together, pull weeds, do whatever I need to do, upgrade the garden. Some things need to be done in the garden that I've been talking about. Oh, I don't know right now. I got other things I need to do. Let's see how much I can get done today, okay? Not only that, there's a new store in Slidell that I would like to share with you all today. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a live or not, or just video it, but there's one store that's in Memphis that we went to, and now they have a new store in Slidell and in Louisiana. So I might end up sharing that with you. Let me get my steps in. So just coming in, this is a real short video, just letting you know what we got going on. I woke up this morning, look outside, and it's foggy out. But that's not going to interfere with today because that's going to clear up. Matter of fact, maybe I should show you what it's looking like out there. Let's go look and see. Can you see the fog? But that's not going to interfere with the day, is it? You see that back over in there? Look up in the sky. You can barely see that tree. We got the hummingbirds out, flying around, keeping us company. Matter of fact, let's go over here and kind of check some things out. Now, I'm not going to keep you long. I think today I'm gonna probably have me a smoothie for breakfast. Okay, y'all. This is what we're gonna do today. I think I want to paint. What y'all think? I think I want to paint paradise. I've been wanting to do it. I have the paint. I just haven't done it. I think I might put my rocks down. I'm not exactly sure. Let's see. So what else I want to do today? We're going to get out here in the main garden here. You see that I have the core board down that keeps from the weeds continue on growing and killing what's underneath. What you see on the top, we still got to groom, thin it out. You hear the rooster, y'all? Y'all hear it in the background? That is the asparagus over there. What's brown, I need to cut that back. We got corn here, peppers over there, chili peppers over there, and then we have the okra. Matter of fact, Miss Renee one morning, she shared her okra flower, and I want to share my flower with you all as well. Look how beautiful that is. Beautiful. And look at the okra next to it, y'all. Oh my goodness. Today is a beautiful day. Once again, I want to tell you all, thank you for allowing me to share my experience in my life with you all. I hope that you are having an awesome day. Exactly, what are y'all doing today? Today is Saturday, September the 18th. And what do you have planned? I thought we was going to get up and go fishing, get the boat out today, and we're not exactly sure if there are areas out there safe enough for us to put the boat out. you know, the boat launch. So that is the holdup. Maybe we might go tomorrow. So while we're out today riding around, maybe we can find some places to launch our boat and go fishing, get some relaxation in. But y'all let me know what y'all got going on today, and I'll get back with you all. Have a blessed day. See you in the next video.